कैसी तबीयत हसन भाई? So, as I was saying, so we got this monthly inversion on NASDAQ, which can get a beautiful retest. And if we see, we got this monthly order block over here, in which market closed not above and not below in the order block. And if we go toward the 1 week time frame, we also tap weekly order block over here, which is beautifully tapped with the equilibrium, and we can see some sort of results toward this FVG. So now this is the FVG where I can expect market to go. This weekly imbalance can get a beautiful tab, and then we can see some sort of bullishness in the market. But personally, if we go on daily, we're in a range. In this range, we close in the daily order block. We also got a beautiful wick over here. Unless market break this area, I'm not bullish, I'm bearish. As soon as market break this area, we can expect some good buy, and then after all, we maybe in a week somewhere we can expect from market to tap this weekly imbalance. And now if we move toward the smaller time frame, which is 4H, on 4H we also got SMT, 4-hour FVG, and if we respect these both things, because we are in a higher time frame PD array, we can get some good sells till this sell liquidity, which is weekly imbalance, same again. But I'm pretty bullish right now on NASDAQ for this key level. If any 4-hour candle closes above this area, I will be bullish for the day, targeting these highs. And if any candle closes below this area, which is bearish candle of, as we all know, let me just see. Okay, yep. So if the candle closes below this area, I'm gonna target the weekly imbalance, and if 4-hour candle closes above this area, I'm gonna target the buy sell liquidity of weekly buy sell liquidity. So this is my simple plan, and I planned my trade, on 1H, cause 1H is pretty bullish. On 1H I got the CISD, I got each and everything that I need, I guess, for the trade. So that's why I'm pretty bullish. And on 1 hour, if you see, these are the equal highs over here. These are the equal highs. Like, this is a high, this is a high, this is liquidity, and these all are liquidities which can be taken out by the market with a very fat candle. So that's my simple plan for the NASDAQ right now. आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी भाई आपकी? ब्रदर स्टेज है, स्टेज पे आवाज़ नहीं आती, स्टेज पे मैंने आवाज़ का ऑप्शन नहीं दिया हुआ किसी को। हसन भाई, आप इधर टाइप कर दो, मैं आपको जो सवाल है टाइप कर दो, मैं जवाब दे देता हूँ आपको। So these are the both scenarios that I shared with you guys, that market, one market can become a bullish market and one market become a bearish market. Alright, so we got the weekly PD array that we can tap, we got the weekly buy sell liquidity that we can tap, and we know the scenarios that what we are going to do when such thing happen in the market. And now we're gonna move toward one of our favorite assets as well, which is gold. Wait a second. All right, so let me just quickly break down the gold scenario. Well, gold is pretty critical on the 1 hour time frame because we just closed in such indecisive candle that we can't decide whether we're gonna go up or we're gonna go down. But on 1 week, if we go toward the 1 week, what we see that we are consolidating, and our last candle was bearish candle, but before that, if you see, we got a pretty bullish candle. In my um, so in this case scenario, what we can do, we got the weekly imbalance which is still getting respected, but if you guys see, we got this candle bullish and this bearish, and before this candle above here we got wick 6, but then we got this closing which can affect the market a little bit, and we can see some sort of good buying. But if market closes something like this with the bearish candle, I'm gonna look for the sells till this point. Alright, so this is the bearish scenario of the market, and if we go toward the daily now, on daily we are creating such a beautiful low resistance liquidity. Alright, or you can say the trend line as well. ICT people gonna kill me off calling this a trend line, but yeah, we also got the trend line. We are also consolidating on daily time frame, and we are still respecting this FVG. So now this is quite I'll say interesting market right now, that whether we go up or down, but it's also a test that how do we manage such a critical condition in the market. So this is the main edge in the trading, guys, I guess, which is very important. Now we're gonna move toward the one. Let's go toward the 4H, by the way, first of all, and what we see. So this is my daily buy sell liquidity, and this is my daily sell sell liquidity, guys. The gold is doing a quite good trade right now. Like, we are in a higher time frame PIO, which is 4-hour order block, and we are forming an SMT. Just give me a second, मैं 1 मिनट में आपको उर्दू में सारा समझा देता हूँ. So right now we can expect market to move in a bullish scenario unless market closes above this one 4H candle. Because if this candle getting disrespected, I'm gonna go toward the sells toward this weekly FVG, and if we go toward the 1H, which is a quite simple scenario, which is still pretty bullish, still pretty bullish, because we got the 1 hour OTE alignment, we got the SMT, we are still respecting the 4-hour order block, and we got the low resistance liquidity above here. So go can be pretty bullish on Monday with the 15-minute OB on the line. So we can expect some good buys, guys. This will be my scenario for the upcoming days on the gold and NASDAQ both. So thank you so much.